sort of 2D array, comma, axis. Here, axis 0 represents, right, good, represents columns, and axis 1 represents rows. Already you have seen yesterday, represents what? Rows. This point was already completed. Hello. And when you came in the middle, don't distract the students' knowledge. When you came late, sit in the back side only. You come in the middle, they will distract unnecessarily. Right? Next time, don't do it. Sit down. So next I'll go to syntax here. Variable name is equal to numpy dot sort of 2D array, comma what? Order. That I'm going to explain here. What does this mean? This is a very, very important, students, most important. And next I will go to the another kind of thing. I can go to kind. We'll go for what? Kind. So this kind also important. This kind value can be the varieties of sorting techniques. Best sorting techniques will be using over there. So I think last class, um, this sort function related activity, I'll just go for the Jupyter notebook here. So I hope that posted up. Is it posted? So yesterday, any difficulty in getting the notes in Google Classroom? Received up? No, not received. Previous one not received. No, current one already shared it. Already we put a QR code also. There I posted. Hmm? So it was there. It was there already. So already it was posted. So here I hope so. Last class example. Sort function. So I hope in the last one I did not save it or not. I don't know. Hmm? Did not save. So let me bring that yesterday one which I saved it. Statistical operations sort. This was the last class explanation. This was our last class explanation, which I did in the last class. Sort of this is a string data. This is one more kind of values we are having. This is a ND array. First one is very straightforward. Next one is called matrix related data, which was available like that. And sort, by default, sorts the data in the form of row wise. Axis is what? 1. So row wise data which is sorted. Now I am reshaping it again. I want to do it by default. Axis is equal to 1 also I mentioned. Same row wise only we ensured it. Next I want to go for what? Sorting based on column wise. That is axis is what? 0. So got it. Column wise it is sorted. Here also column wise it is sorted another time. So next term, this part was available and I was converted this data into what type? Come on. Total matrix to be sorted. Total matrix to be sorted. Row wise as well as column wise. So I converted into what? 1D. Total matrix is sorted. Here in the 1D, there is no rows and then no columns. Simply sorted. I put them into what? Converted into what? 4 by 4. And everything is in sorted format only. Right? This was what I completed in the last part. Shall we move to the further? Yes. So online students, this was our classroom. Please provide for us, C students, the online students. Did you receive yesterday's notes in a new Google Classroom? You received or not? Please respond it immediately. Received it. So many students are saying that received it. Some of the students are saying not received it. So I got a new Google Drive. New Google Drive created just only to send the Python notes for my Python notes for other batch students. For that only created. Okay. It's for your benefit only we created. Try to take up all those things now. So go to the place. Now, if you did not receive it, if you did not received it, received, yes, sir, received November 26 notes. So it is there in the new place and contact the admin for getting the new link. Contact the admin notes, Python notes I will send today. Python notes at the end of this class today I will send it. Okay. Right. Let me go to the today's discussion now. This part I am going to talk. Now let me go to the subject. All of you concentrate. So my sample data is my sample data set. My sample data set will be like this. My sample data set is like this. Data set is given below. All of you carefully follow. Suppose I am having name. This is name. Next is called age. Next is called height. This is a data which is given. What is this now? Rajesh. Rajesh age is 34. Height is 175. Next is called Rakesh. So next student is Rakesh. Age is 35 and the age, height is 164. And next is called Ramesh. Age is 34. Age is 173. Height is 173. Next is called Rosam. Age is something like 70 and something like 168. 168. All of you please come out of the link and try to understand the class. Concentrate on the class now. For the link is concerned, contact to admin. Contact to admin. So now I will go to the further. Go to the next. Next I'm going to take it. Rajneet, for example, Rajneet, ఆన్లైన్ అడ్మిన్ కి న్యూ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లింక్ పోస్ట్ చేయమని చెప్పండి చాట్ విండోలో. కావ్య, ఆమె పేరు కావ్య. రైట్. సో this link problem is making me to suffer like anything. Admin response. Mohammed, sir, the link provided giving a statement, drive you need access. Admin response. I have access to share drive link only. Faculty will share the notes in drive. For notes, contact the faculty in class. Who gave this response? Mohammed, who gave this response? Mindless. First of all, who's that admin? So, సార్ ఆ మెసేజ్ చదవండి సార్. ఆమెకు ఆ మెసేజ్ పంపించండి సార్. Am I sharing the notes daily or not? So, Mohammed, who said that message? I received same. Who said that? Miss Kavya. Okay. Kavya is today is there. Kavya kuntadi roju. So, Miss Kavya. Okay. Miss Kavya, she will have some different thing today after my class. So now I will go to next one. Because they don't know anything, they will try to do something. Now, can you come to that? So don't want to waste my time. So coming to 35 here, and next is called what I'm writing is something like 175 now. 175. So coming to name, age, height. Now, this is my data. Now they are asking, the questions are sort the above data set, sort the above data set Sort the above data set on the basis of age. On the basis of what? Age. Sort the above data on the basis of height. On the basis of what? Height. On the basis of height. Sort the above data. Sort the above data on the basis of what? Name. 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 Sort the above data on the basis of what? Age comma height. Age comma height. Age on the basis of what? Age comma height. Why age comma height? If two ages are same, which one will be considered? Height will be considered. If two heights are same, what will be considered? Age. And don't ask me, age and height is same, what will be taken? First come, first served will be taken. Right? Because మీకు లేనిపోయిన డౌట్లు వస్తాయి. మార్నింగ్ 9 o'clock వన్ స్టూడెంట్ 9 o'clock వన్ అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తారో వీళ్ళంతా డౌట్ వస్తుంది నాకు ఒకసారి. ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ దీస్ పీపుల్ విల్ కమ్. 0 into 8 to the power of 0 is called 1 is saying. 0 into 8 to the power of 0 is called 1 is saying. If I am saying 0, he is saying, sir, how it is saying? How it is saying? He is saying that he is a working employee. He is saying, remove the cap. So he is saying that he is a working employee. That person is saying 1. He is saying working employee. How many years? 8 years experience he is having. I am unable to believe. But you are saying, oh, like that. One girl is saying, oh, like that. అట్లనా అని. So now even I also got like that. He's a working employee saying. He's a working employee. Where he is working, I don't know. So like that these days students are getting. Students, anyhow, try to follow this carefully. Now I'll go to, this is the sample data given in this place. I want to, students, please concentrate. Don't try to share any links in the drive. Don't distract the classroom, please. Let me complete my task. Let me complete my task. Please don't distract it. All of you, silently try to listen. Link you will get it. I'll talk to them. Try to please don't distract it. So how do you do this type of task? So for this, first of all, how do you take this data? First of all, this is a data set. How do you take this data? First, that is a question mark. How do you take this data, students? Come on, how do you take this data? This is called what? Different type of values. How do you take different type of values in our Python? In the form of what? List or tuple. It's your choice. What is this? Is again one more list or tuple. All these things are called what? Come on, list only or tuple only. But I will enclose within what? Another list I will go for it. So I will use what? List in list or tuple in list, tuple in tuple. Any 4 combinations I can take it. Shall I represent now? So let us go to the point back. I'm going to enter into this case. So I will go to this data. How do you represent? Now I'm going to take it. Rajesh 34, 175. I'm going to take it. Just I'm writing here the skeleton code. Try to follow. How I'm going to use NumPy you will come across. This is called what? One tuple. This tuple, I will take one more kind of data. One more kind of data. This also I'm going to take it in the form of tuple. Very regularly asking questions. These are all called solid questions will come in front of you in the tuples case, in the NumPy case. Next is called one more data I'm going to take. So Ramesh, and next is called 34, and next is called like this. So here I'm going to take up this kind of data, Ramesh, and next is called what? Rosam. So this Rosam data also I'm taking. This is comes under what way I'm taking this entire data set in the form of what? Come on. Tuples I'm taking. Tuples I'm going to take. So here, this is my data available like this, getting like this. These things I'm going to keep it inside of what? List. So this is called LST. This entire data is represented in the form of tuples of list. This is known as what? Tuples of list. This part we discussed in our beginning days only. Students, if you go to, I need to convert this data into which type? ND array. ND array. So I'm going to take it. A is equal to NP dot. Of course, I will go forward. Import. What I'm going to write? NumPy as NP. There I'm going to write NP dot array of what? LST. Students, when I'm going to take this NP dot array of LST, what LST contains? Each LST contains what? Tuples or not? It is the responsibility of the people to know about which data type this A is going to contain. Which data type it is A is going to contain? Which type? No, no. If it is 10, 20, 30, 40, etc., all of them are which type? Int 32, int 32, int 16, something like that, int 64 like that. If it is containing 10.2, 10.5, etc., it is containing what? Float 32, float 64. But these are called which type? These are called which type? That is a question mark. It is not int, float, bool or something. It is a combination of multiple values or not. You may think it is a tuple, but each tuple data is not by default sorted. Tuple, that too, it is containing what? One int value, one string value, plus, come on, like that. Combination of values are available or not. So it is to sort the data, either you need to go for what? Names you need to sort, either names you need to sort, or what you need to sort? Ages you need to sort, or you need to sort what? Heights you need to sort. Heights you need to sort. That data type you must mention separately. This is what I'm going to take it. dt is equal to. This is a special part I'm going to say. In that, I'm going to mention students in the form of like this. First step, name. I'm taking tuple representation for data type. What is this Rajesh, Rakesh, Ramesh, etc. are called? I'm taking one type of attribute I'm taking called what? Name. Name. What is the type of name actually? str. str in NumPy represented in the form of what I said? U. U. U after that, what? Length. Which length I said? Maximum length I said. You see, Rajesh, Rakesh will have same length. Ramesh, same length. Rosam, same length. Rajnit is having what? More length. So what is that Rajnit length here? It is going to be what? Come on. 8. 8. I need to represent there as what? U8 I need to represent. Are you following me? This is called what? Name data type is which type? U8. U8. U8 represents what here? U stands for what? Unicode. Already explained. In the beginning days only explained. If you come only today, if you ask other girl what is U8 means, it will be a problem. Problem it is. That's why need to attend the classes all the times. Come to the point of it. Next, I'm going to take it what? Name related data type I mentioned. Next is called what? Age. Age, comma. What is the type of ages I'm having here? 34, 35, 34, 70, and then 35. What is the type, ma? Int I need to mention. Int. Age also is one attribute I'm going to take. Age also one attribute. It is your choice what you want to take. I am taking name, age I am taking. Comma. Next I'm going to take it what? Height. Height I'm going to take it. Height I'm going to take it. Which type I'm taking that also? Int I'm going to take it. These are all called what? First tuple, second tuple, third tuple. These are all going to be present in where? List of tuples. That means whichever data you are going to sort it, how many fields are available? 3 fields. Name field, age field, height field. You need to mention their data type. You need to mention their data type. There I need to write LST comma D type is equal to what? DT I must mention. That means when I'm going to convert this LST into which type? A. LST into which type? A. NP dot array of LST comma D type is equal to DT. The A is going to contain different type of values with the predefined data types which you mentioned. U8, all names will come. All ages will come of int type. All heights will come in the form of int type. Now I need to mention here. I need to sort this data. How do you sort this data? Now I am going to write it. A is equal to, now I'm going to sort it. A is equal to NP dot, come on, sort of, which one? A comma, order. What is an order to be considered? Order indicates in this list of tuples, which data you want to sort it. Is it name? Is it age? Is it what? So this tuple data you want to sort on the basis of name, age, height. What you want to sort? You need to mention that. You need to mention it as what here, height. For example, HEIGHT. This whatever you mentioned here, that you need to mention it. All the heights are taken as which type? So what it is going to compare, 175, 164, 173, 168, 175. So that are going to come in which order? Ascending order that is going to come. Which order that is going to come? Ascending order. Now, this is very, very important. Order is equal to height, you got it. And the print of what I will say? A. And I'm going to see this entire data on the ascending order of what? Height. Suppose if I want to go to age, I will write order is equal to what? Age. Possible, are you following? How this data is represented? This is one of the actually one written test question. This is written test question. Directly ask one student who is doing data science, artificial intelligence, anybody is doing, wherever you find the student, ask this question. Simply they can't even tell what this question is. They can't even answer it. So try to take care. Even in Python level, if you want to do it, it takes a lot of time for you. It is very difficult for you. But if you go to this type of approach, it is very simple. Are you following me now? Clear up? So now I'm going to online students. Is it clear for all of you? So all the names will be what data? String data. Need to write within the double quotes. Already said it is a string data. String data need to be written in where, ma? Already you know now, students. Already you know. This is, I did not write in double quotes. You need to write in where? Double quotes. You need to write. It is an implicit meaning. So you need to take care. Now I will write this entire data. I will copy as it is into Jupyter Notebook. Here I will write it. So let us take about this entire thing. I will print it. So let's go to our place. Here I'm going to have it. Continuation part of it. Having something like this. Print original data. Print original data. That is unsorted format. That is unsorted. Unsorted. Print of what? A and type of A, which is printed. Just for a minute to see its unsorted format. You see the data here. Unsorted data, you are having this kind of thing. First value, second value, third value, all types of values are printed. Now I need to do what data? Sorted data. On what basis you are sorting? Height. So I'm going to take up sorted data. So there I'm going to write sorted data. So sorted data you are going to. Sorted data. Based on, come on, height. Based on height. Which order? In which order? Ascending order. Law students, are you following me? Following? Following or not following? Yes, following. So now you see this data, students, all of you. Rajesh, 34 years. This is called height, I said. This is going to be Rajesh, 175, 164, 173, 168, 175. What is the first one? Rakesh. Next, Rosam. Next, here. Rakesh, Rosam. Next, Ramesh. Next, Next is the Rajni. Are you following? Right. Now this is the data in which order? Ascending order. If you want in descending order, it is a matter of going for what? Same data in which order? Descending order. Same data. If you want in descending order, it is a matter of writing what? Colon minus 1. In which order it is? Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. So there I am going to get it in descending order. Rajnit is the first. Suppose students, when you go to this data, for example, if you mention it by mistake, U6 you mention it, U6. What is the U6? Rajesh, 6 letters. Rakesh, 6 letters. Ramesh, 6 letters. Rosam, 6 letters. Rajini is 8 letters, but it will be showing only 6 letters only will be taken. Please experience it once. So here it is called what? Problem. Rajnit becomes Rajini. So Rajnit will feel a very bad. Correct or not? So you need to take care about this data type properly. Which data type you need to take it? Which data type you need to take it? The highest data type thing you need to take it to allocate the complete data. Suppose if I take only 3, it will take all of them are going to get what? 3 things only you will get it. Are you following me? Right. All of them are going to get only 3. If I say 5, only 5 letters are going to commit. Clear? Next, go to one more kind of thing. I want to go for based on what? Age. Based on age, I am going to take it. Start. Order is equal to what? Age. What is the data type of age? Int. See, I'm designing my own data type columns here. I'm designing my own data type columns here. It is based on the age it is going to come. So Rajesh is an younger one. Next is 34. 34. What is considered here? Next is called what? Rajesh and Ramesh. Which one is written first? Whichever is written in first in order, that will be coming into picture. Next is called what again? 35. Next is 35. Next is what? 70. Reverse order, you know already. Next I'm going to take. Next on the basis of what? Name. Next on the basis of what? Name. Name basis. Who is the first one is coming? Rajesh. Here two things are there. Rajesh, Rakesh, Ramesh. RA same in all the places. But what is the next? J. Next what? K. And then what? M. Which one is the first letter coming? J only. That's why Rajesh. Next in this called K and M. Which one is coming? K only. That's why Rajesh. And next is called what? Rajnit. J is also there or not? J. Next is called Rakesh. Next is called Ramesh. Last is what? Rosam. So two letters are equal, second letter. Two letters, first letters are equal, third letter. That process already you know in our Python level only. So I think name sorting also done. Clear or not clear? Clear. Next I will go to one more kind of process. Double order. Double order I am going to give you. I am going to write it. I am going to mention here. What is the next one I want to go for it? Name plus age plus I will take it age comma what? Height. I want to go for name comma height I want to take. How I am representing that? In the form of what? Tuple I am representing. Tuple. Two ages are equal. Two ages are equal. What will be considered? So primary factor is first with what? Age only. But next factor, if two ages are same, which one will be considered? Ramesh will come first. Come on. And what? Age and height. Age and height. And previously also you take care, if anything is there, you try to modify that. It is a name. Earlier one is name. This is also called what? Age. So try to see the code and try to modify it and get it. This one. Start with. What is coming? Ramesh. 34. Next is called what? Next is called Rajesh. Next is called what? Rakesh. Next is Rajni. Next is like this. Are you following me? So the same data in which order? Descending order if you want to get it. descending order if you want to get it. So what is this now? Age comma what? I will go to age comma what? Height. Age comma height. In which order? Descending order. Descending order. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Students, already in the chart window, it is available. The link is available. Try to look at that. Try to look at the chart window. It is available there. Try to take care. The new link is available, students. All of you ensure it. Further, there is no question of any link related kind of things. Take care about it. Right. Now, go to the next step. This is in reverse order if I want to get it. Colon, colon, minus 1. So you are going to get this kind of data. Are you able to follow now? So, come on. Huh? If I increase a little font size, my laptop I am unable to see. Okay. I am unable to see in my laptop. You want to come and sit here, you sit here. If you want to come and sit, you come here. So, is it clear? So, next, coming to the point back, here I am going to enter into the next step. Is it clear? Order is clear. Next, I am going to enter into where? Kind. I am going to enter into the concept called kind. So, what is the meaning of this kind? I am going to enter. Here, kind represents type of which order? Sorting technique. Sorting technique. In the sorting techniques, what are the permissible values? One is called quick sort. One is called quick sort. One more is called what? Heap sort. Heap sort. One more is called what? Merge sort. Merge sort. One is called quick sort. One more is called what? Merge sort. The fastest technique with less time complexity. If you go to your DSA, there are almost 16 sorting techniques are there. And if you know the subject name of DSA, if you know anybody. So bubble sort that are all called useless techniques. What college people taught, that is called useless. Useless and time pass. So selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, radix sort, that are all called what? Hash based sorting. So many sorting techniques are there. Out of all of them, the best sorting techniques is called what? Quick sort and then heap sort and then merge sort. So if you want to sort any data, we are going to, if you want any special procedure for it, you can apply what? Quick sort. By default, if I don't write any kind, it is taken as which one? Quick sort only it will be taken. Are you following me? Generally, for sorting of 1D data, if you want, you can mention quick sort as well as heap sort as well as merge sort. So I'm going to apply the another syntax here. Shall we go for now? So let's go to the place. Here I'm going to enter into this place. So I will take up this technique, kind related syntax I'm going to talk about it. So here, go to this place. Now I'm going to take it. So import numpy as np, take it a is equal to np dot random dot randint of some values, some 100 comma 200 comma size is equal to something like 10, you take it. Then print of what? Content of a, which one? Which is sorted or unsorted? Unsorted. Now I want to print a. So this is called the data, random numbers, not in order. Now I want to sort it. Which sorting technique by default we know? A is equal to np dot sort of a. By default it is in sorting technique only. It is a sorted data only. Correct. So I want which one? Here I am writing it, comma, kind is equal to what I am writing there? Quick sort I will write it. Quick sort I am writing. And to understand this beauty, You need to know algorithm of quicksort. Quicksort algorithm, there are 8 steps are there. Pivotal element. Pivotal element is less than first element. Move the pivotal element until length exceeds left subset to right subset. Pivotal element is a sorted element. Again, left subset I need to do, right subset I need to do. And if you know DSA, then you can understand the beauty of it. If you don't know DSA, you look at quicksort only as quicksort only. Are you following that? Heap sort also with binary trees mechanism. Build max heap, build min heap. Some diagrams are there. And I'm talking about beyond your subject of DSA. So if we go to the algorithm, if we go to the quicksort algorithm, if we go to quicksort, quicksort problem, quicksort problem in DSA. If we go to quicksort problem in DSA, sort, quicksort problem in DSA, if I take it, any images, if you take it, this is the subject of it. If I go to this is a sorting procedure. This is a sorting procedure actually. There is a left link, right link. This is a procedure what you will take it. So if you look at, this is a diagram. This is a diagram. Pivotal element, this is a diagram. If you know DS algorithm, first problem, numerical problem, I mean to say. Next algorithm, next implementation. Implementation with what? C language, C++, Java you can do, Python you can do. That is in the special course called what? DSA through C, DSA through C++, DSA through Java, DSA through Python. And today we are using ready-made algorithm called quicksort. This is an actual diagram. See this entire process. These are all called mathematical representations. So this Royal subject in computer science is called DSA. So I'm writing this quicksort. Now I'm going to print this data is what? Content of A. What is this? Sorted. That to ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. So that is going to be printed. What order? Ascending order. Whether the quicksort, if you want to understand, you need to know that algorithm first of all. And Python, in our Python, it is not Python with a DSA. It is just Python language. In this, we are using directly the algorithm. If I write a quicksort, it is internally invoked which algorithm? Quicksort, which is developed by the PSF organization. Next, another kind of value. If you go to the same mechanism, quicksort I am writing here. Here I can write what also? Heap sort. Heap sort. If I go to heap sort, heap sort problem, binary trees will be used. Heap sort problem in DSA. There's a binary trees will be used. Build max heap. This is build min heap. This is the rotations. AVL trees, LL rotation, RR rotation, RL rotation, LR rotation. అసలు కాలేజీలో చెప్పరు ఇవి ఓన్లీ హెడ్డింగ్ చెప్పి వదిలేస్తారు. దట్స్ వై టుడే దిస్ unemployed people more and more. So this is what is happening behind of heap sort. Build heap, build max heap, build min heap. These are all called binary trees related. Binary trees related. And not even one textbook also will contain the complete code. All they will say dash dash dash. They will start and they will say dash 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 only. So student will become, they cannot understand what is that fill in the blanks related, what is available. That's why you are supposed to understand here. So heap sort output we are going to mention here. Heap sort content of A. This will be building internally binary tree. And for the binary tree, the values will be sorted. Coming in which order? Ascending order. If you want in descending order of the same thing, as I already mentioned it, it is easy for you. What is this? Come on. Descending order of it. Extended slicing, I can write it. Extended slicing, I can write it. It is in the reverse process. Recollect. Next, I will go to, what is the next one I am going to apply? I will go to kind is equal to what? Merge sort. Merge sort. Merge sort also, same process. You will be getting it. This is called random data. also sorted, and reverse of that kind of data is coming. Are you following? These are the permitted sorting kind values. Are you understanding? Even if you go to what 2D also same, 2D also. How do you go for 2D here? Reshaping the data. 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. You can go for doing the same thing. Do you know how to reshape it? By using reshape of. So this is called what is called a sort function. The most important thing is this one. This one is the most important thing. The beginning one which I said now, this is a very important, which I designed here in the beginning. Today's class beginning. This is a very important. Are you following? So what do you do after going to home? Take employee number, employee name, salary. Like that you take a big data and take student number, student name, total marks, CGPA. Like that you take and do what? Do the data type design and apply the sorting practice. Order also you mention it and try to see this kind of thing. Are you following me? Right. Shall we move to the further? This is about which concept? Sort concept. This notes I'll send you and try to process it. Online students, is it clear? Is it clear? Krishna, sir, explain once this algorithm. See, mom, I can explain that algorithm like anything. I can explain because my PhD is in DSA only, algorithms only. But if I start heap sort algorithm, it will take minimum 4 classes. Minimum 4 classes. Max heap almost 1 day. Min heap almost 1 day. And then sorting of heap almost another day. The merging of min heap and max heap is going to be putting the data in sorted. Another class it will take. And binary tree explanation, one more kind of class I need to take. This much is there behind this DSA. It is a royal subject. And those are all selected in NITs, IITs. Why there is a 24 LPA minimum? Why 36 LPA, 50 LPA like that? Because that intelligence of writing the code in DSA. Of course, once you know DSA very well, you are eligible to go to the product-based companies like Microsoft, like IBM, Amazon, big companies. DSA is more than enough to enter into the product-based companies. And nobody can, of course, you don't feel that I'm not boasting about it. The DSA, if you take it, in maximum in Ameripet classes, they will tell about stacks, queues, LIFO, FIFO. You know already LIFO. What is the LIFO? అది నీ స్టేటస్ అది లిఫో. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఫిఫో? అంతే. దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్టేటస్. ఫినిష్డ్. నెక్స్ట్, what is our status? What is when you come to stacks? Minimum 20 classes on stack. Minimum 20. Polynomial evaluation with a third degree, fourth degree. With 3 variables, 4 variables. That is actual meaning of stacks. Not LIFO, FIFO like our college days. So anyhow, if any such batch will start, we will intimate you complete coding, not at the stacks and queues. Our almost coding level is AVL trees, DFS, BFS with complete illustration on the screen also to print it. Okay. So anyhow, at this stage, you try to understand the sort function. In further, if any such things will start, we'll intimate you definitely. So next, this is sort function completed today. So almost we completed flatten off, and next is called what? Ravel off. Copy versus what? View, where there is a base attribute I said, and also we went for what? Sort function also completed. Now today we are entering into this sort function. I will explain to you students. I'm going to post the notes for you. Today I'm going to enter into the another topic. Completed yesterday's topic. Now I'll post that. Now we'll enter into the next step. So matrix operations I'm going to discuss. NumPy matrix operations. Matrix operations. It is also going to be called as arithmetic operations. NumPy arithmetic operations on ND array. Arithmetic operations on ND array. On ND array. Here I'm going to discuss. So here I'm going to start with It is also important, students. It is also an important because in machine learning, majority of the times you are representing the data in the form of matrix operations. Machine learning process, machine learning models, algorithms will go on using matrix related operations. For example, there is a matrix called A. There is a matrix called A. All of you carefully follow. Easiest topic, not a difficult. So 10, 20, and next is called 30. Next is called 40. Next B is called what you know. Here I am having 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my data again. Now I want to go for adding these two matrices. Already you have done in your school days and everything. How do you do this adding of matrices in C programming? Minimum I need to write what? 35 lines of code. For accepting the elements of A matrix, for accepting the elements of B matrix, two inner for loops I will write for A, two more inner for loops I will write for B. For adding that matrix C is equal to each value of A will be added with each value of B, which is going to become 11, which is going to become 22, it is going to be 33, it is going to be called 44. So this is going to contain each element wise addition will be taken place. This is a matrix addition rule. Addition rule. Order must be same. 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Addition will be done. Now, there is some more concept is there in NumPy, especially broadcasting concept is also available. That I'll tell you separately. So in C language, C++, Java, majority of the times we'll write 35 lines of code. When you come to normal Python programming also, you need to write almost 20 lines of code. But when you come to NumPy, we will write just one line of code, we will write it. One line of code will write it. That is called the fastest execution of fastest operations you can do. So that operations are going to be available in where? NumPy. So that's why NumPy is meant for any complex operations are there where you are writing more lines of code in another languages. In NumPy, you are going to write how many lines? Less lines of code you are writing. That's why most of the business analytics, data analysis, any complex mathematical operations is coming. The main source is to go for what? NumPy programming you will use. And even as on today, the business analytics or business analysis is also one of the good job opportunity you are getting. There much coding of Python is not necessary. If you know NumPy and Pandas, it is more than enough because you are writing only few lines of code in NumPy. So shall we go for this one line of code? So what is this operation called? Matrix addition. In traditional Python, you need to take so many lines. In other languages, you take more lines than normal Python. But in NumPy, we are taking only one line. How it is possible only one line? Functions are available. So on ND array, I'm going to write it. Carefully follow. On ND array objects, we can perform that to ND array in the sense matrix operations I'm taking. Definitely matrix operation contains what here? Rows as well as what? Columns. Rows as well as columns. Basically, it is called a 2D or 3D? 2D. This operation is on 2D. On 2D objects, we can perform various matrix operations. Various matrix operations. How do you represent matrix operations in normal Python coding? In normal Python coding, how do you represent matrix? List in list. How do you represent? List in list. That list in list is called matrix only. But we cannot do list plus list, you cannot do. List plus list, if you do, it will become what? Merging. Already I taught you, beginning days. Why we are going for NumPy also I said in the beginning. So to perform various matrix operations, we use the following functions. We use the following functions. What are those functions? I'm going to write it. Number one, I'm going to write it. The function name called what? Add. The function name is called add. Next function is called what you know? Subtract. Name of the function is subtract. Next, the third function is called what? Multiply. 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 Next, there is a fourth function. Fourth function, dot, dot product. We can also use another way. One more is also there, mat mul. What is the difference between multiply and a dot product or mat mul? I will explain to you. Next, the fifth function is called what you know, divide. Divide. This is called a matrix division. Next, the sixth function is called what you know, floor underscore divide. Floor underscore divide. Next, the seventh function is called what you know, mod, modulus, mod function. Next, eighth function is called what you know, power of function. What is the function name? Power of. And if you know, in our Python classes, arithmetic operators, if you know, it will be more easy today. That's why Python is a backbone for learning any kind of further things like this. So what is an operator for this? Plus. What is an operator? Minus and a star. And this is called what? Slash. This is called what? Double slash. This is called percentage. And this is known as what? Double star. Already this is discussed in our Python classes earlier itself. So coming to the point of it, these functions I want to do it. All the above functions, all the above functions, all the above functions we can perform by using which operators also? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators we can apply by using arithmetic operators. Why? Why we can apply arithmetic operators now? In other words, here we can apply, here we can apply which operators? Arithmetic operators on which objects? 2D array objects. Because 2D array objects will perform which operation? Vector based operations will be performed. Already I said vector based operations in the class. Vector based operations already I said to you how to perform it. Shall we go to the example now? So let us start with all these kind of examples. One by one I will go for it. Example also I will write it. One time if I write one example, other example will be easy for you. Add function I am going to take it. Let us concentrate on this function. So what is the written test question may be coming? They will give two matrices for you. They will give two ND array objects. They will ask you add both of them. Add both of them. You need not write a big traditional Python code. You simply apply what? ND array object and then do it. So I'm going to write the syntax. Let's go to new one, new notebook here. Create one ND array object. So I'm going to do which operations here? Matrix operations, NumPy matrix operations. So go to the first one. Which operation here? Which function? Adding of two matrices. Adding of two matrices. So let us build the matrix here. How to read the values dynamically for ND array also I will tell you. Very soon I will tell you. So let us take it as A is equal to, come on, tell me, import here NumPy. So as NP, that is simple. NP dot what? Array of. I'm going to take it, you know, already in the class 10, 20, 30. Small matrix you take it. 10, 20. Next is called what? 30, 40. 30, 40. This is called what? List in list. No need to reshape. No need to reshape because already I'm taking list in list. If you take 10, 20, 30, 40 separately, then I need to go for reshape. Next, I will go to what? One more matrix, I will take it. What is the next matrix? B. B, I am going to take it. What is the B matrix here? 1 I will take, 2 I will take, 3 I will take, and then 4 I will take. Then print. What I am going to write it now? Matrix A. Matrix A. Print of A. Matrix B. I am taking B matrix. Here I am going to take B matrix. This is B here. Now I need to do what? Add. Add. This is a procedure number one. Adding two matrices by using which function? Add off. Add off. Here I am writing here. NP dot. Come on. NP dot. Add off. Come on. A comma B. Be careful. Be careful. And I'm going to write it into where? C. And try to print the matrix called what? C. Matrix called C. Take care. Matrix C. That is called addition matrix. So addition matrix. There I'm writing C here. Try to observe it. Matrix A, matrix B. This is called element wise addition, done or not? Element wise addition, and this is not a big deal. It is so simple for you, not a difficult at all. Are you following this? Now, this you can apply. 3 by 3 matrix also you can apply. To add any two matrices, what must be same? Dimension must be same. At present, you think that in further, in the sense after a few classes, I'm going to tell you one more concept called what? Broadcasting concept is coming, which is also definite question in interview. What do you mean by broadcasting? I'll explain that concept. So at this present, order of the first matrix must be order of second matrix. Number of rows and columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows and columns of the second matrix. So got the output. So in this case, students, this is by using add function. This is the procedure number one. Procedure number two, second functionality I'm going to say. By using what? Arithmetic operator plus. Arithmetic operator plus I'm going to apply. So here, in place of writing like that, you are simply writing what? A plus B. This is an arithmetic operator plus you are applying. Earlier one is by using what? Function. You are using A plus B also. Why you are able to apply A plus B? I already said to you, on ND array object, what you can perform? Vector based operation. So that you can perform the same operation will be coming. Are you getting the same operation or not? List plus list is not possible to do it. If we go to Python, normal environment, if you go, you take this as LST, you take this as LST, already said, because some people are keeping question mark. That's why I'm going to give you this. So this is called LST1. This is the data. LST2 you take it. LST2 you take it. This is called 1. This is called 2. This is called 3. This is a 4. Now you do LST3 is equal to LST1 plus LST3 is equal to LST1 plus LST2. Already explained in my Python classes only. Which function I said that time? Extend function. Extend function, after that I gave a note for you. That note is what? Plus. By using plus, you can merge two lists only, but you cannot add the elements. So print of what? LST3. If I print it, you are going to get first matrix, second matrix elements, all of them are called merged here. If you get these values, row in where? LST3, print of row, if you see, you are going to get values are merged only, they are not getting added. Clear or not? Yes. So coming to the point back, if you want to add them, the one and only one procedure is either the function name called what? Add, or it is going to be called what? Plus. Plus. Why I am able to apply plus between the ND array objects? They performs vector based operation. Beginning day only I said. So here if I come back to that syntax number one, what is the syntax number one? Come on. Variable name is equal to np numpy dot add of nd array object. That is a 2D array object. 2D array object 1, comma 2D array object 2. You can go for 2D array object 3 also you can take it. Multiple matrices also you can go for it. Multiple matrices also you can go for it. I think you are following. A matrix, B matrix, C matrix, all of them are containing same order. You can add it. A plus B plus C matrix also you can add it. Following? Syntax number 2, alternatively, syntax number 2, syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2? Variable name is equal to nd array object, nd array object 1 plus, what is this next? 2D array object 2. So in school days, you learned it. If you want to add any matrix, if you want to add any two matrices, what must be same? Order must be same. If the order is different, it is not possible. Already this is a basic sentence. You don't expect sir will be saying something here. Minimum knowledge is required. If minimum knowledge is there not there, we cannot do anything else. Are you following? In other case, you look at, for example, in further broadcasting concept, I'm going to tell, which is a very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my data. Which matrix it is? Come on, 3 by 3 matrix. Now I'm going to have it. There is one more matrix is there. What is that now? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is this matrix is called? 3 by 3 zeros matrix. If I want to add it, what is the answer is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So instead of writing these many zeros, what Python NumPy offers is like this it offers. Please look at plus. I can write it like this also I can write it. 0, 0, 0 I can say. What is this 0, 0, 0 says here? Simply it is called one row, 3 columns. One row, how many columns? 3 columns. That indicates this is for minimizing the memory space. Each row is added with each value of this, each value of that. It is internally substituted by the NumPy environment as what? Whatever the number of rows are there, if a number of rows are going to be 1 with all zeros, all the rows also will be internally treated as what? 0. That means mathematically this is not possible. Mathematically this is not possible according to our 10th class, 8th class, 9th class matrices. Because this order is different, this order is different. But in Python, there is a broadcasting concept is there. What is the broadcasting concept says? Instead of writing zeros again and wasting the memory space, we want to write it what? Simply 3 zeros you write in for 3 columns. Each value, each row value will be added with zeros. That I will explain to you with an example. So the answer is going to be coming what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only will be coming. So these zeros indicate internally it is substituting how many rows? Whatever the number of rows are there in the original, that many rows will be there. But physically we don't write these many number of zeros. We will write how many zeros only? 3 zeros only we will write like this. In other way around, we can also write simply as what? 0, 0, 0 also I can write it. I can also write like this. Why I am not writing other zeros here? It is a waste of memory space. Are you following me? So NumPy is meant for what? Effective memory space purpose we are using. Either I can go like this or I can go like this. But for rest of the entries are going to be taken as zeros only. This is for effective memory purpose only we are using. This type of computing and giving the original matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is simply called as what? Broadcasting concept. Nothing else is going to be different. So are you going to understand now? Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40. 30, 40. What is my matrix available here? 0, 0 is available. What is the answer here? 10, 20, 30, 40. Or you can also say it as what? 0, 0. It is also going to be called what? That's all. This is called which concept? Mathematically, it is not possible. With broadcasting concept, it is going to be called original matrix only will be coming. Are you following me? Right. Now I am going to enter into the further. Is it clear? Online students? Is it clear, students? Respond all of you. Similarly, I will go for which concept? Subtract. Go to the subtract. Go to the subtract. This notes also I will send it to you. So by this time, it is very simple for you. Come on, syntax number 1 and 2. Syntax number 1 and 2. What I will write it? Subtract off, I will write it. Subtract off. There also it will be taken as what? Element-wise subtraction will be taken place. Element-wise subtraction. So first element, minus. ND array object elements minus ND array object. Here I will write what? Minus. Arithmetic minus operator I can write it. Let's go to the example. I am going to take up same. operation with the function, with the operator I want to go for it. Easy, not at all a difficult. So go to the place. With what function? Subtract. Subtract function I am going to take it. Matrix A, matrix B. I am going to write subtract. Subtract. Subtract, no, subtract. This is going to be called what? Subtraction. This is called subtraction. Subtraction operation this is. Okay, now I'm going to take it and 10 minus 1, 20 minus 2, 30 minus 3, 40 minus 4, the output is going to come. 10 minus 1, you are getting here. And next is like this. 20 minus 2 and 30 minus 3, 40 minus 4, the output will be corresponding output. Clear up? Next, I will go to operator time. I am going to enter operator part. So I'll take a operator by using arithmetic operator. By using arithmetic operator minus arithmetic operator minus. So I will apply simply a minus b. A minus b I will apply. So done. So by using an operator, same kind of answer will be coming. This indicates either function I can use or I can use operator because of vector based operation performed. Done. Similarly, I will go for what? Multiplication I will go. Multiplication. Next multiplication I will go. So now you are understanding the syntax. But syntax related notes I will post it. Let me do the example process. So I will go to which function next? Multiply. Element wise addition, element wise subtraction, element wise multiplication. Multiply. Multiply. This is called what? Subtracting. Here I will write it. Comment I will change. Subtraction of two matrices by using arithmetic minus. Earlier also subtraction of here also two matrices by using subtract. Here I will go to what is this? Element wise multiplication. Element wise multiplication. Element wise multiplication of matrices by using which function? Multiply. So go to this place, dot multiply. Multiply of a comma b. So there I am going to write element wise multiplication. Element wise multiplication. There I am going to say C. So what is the element wise multiplication? 10 into 1, 10 into 20 into 2, and 30 into 3, and then 40 into 4. This is called element wise multiplication. Actual multiplication is different. Actual multiplication is called what? Dot product. Dot product is called actual multiplication. So that is what you have done in your school days and all those things. Similarly, I want to get it what? Star operator. I will apply the arithmetic operator here by using arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Operator called what here? Star. Star operator. A star B. So I'm writing here A star B. So here I'm going to write it. So it is also going to be the similar answer like earlier. Similar answer like earlier. Now I'm going to take up important discussion that already you know mathematically, and here I will go for it. It is also one-time system test matrix operation. This is called dot product. Dot product means actual matrix multiplication. Actual matrix multiplication. What is an actual matrix multiplication? Dot product of matrices by using which function? Dot of. Dot of. Carry out the function here. Carry out that objects. Matrix AB. You are going to get it. Now there I am going to get it the matrix here. What is this now? 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. Next is called one more matrix is called what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not dot product. Come on, matrix multiplication, you know now? Matrix multiplication require one type of condition. What is that? This is a 2 by 2. This is called what? 2 by 2. Number of columns in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix. This is a school level fundamental that we should know. So each row value multiplied with each column. That's why rows must be, each row value must be multiplied with each column. Start the process. This is called which product? Dot product. First start with what? First row with the first column. Start with what I'm going to take 10 into 1. 10 into 1 plus, come on, 20 into 3. 3. That is called first column done. Next, first row multiplied with what also? Second column for second element purpose. 10 into 2 plus 20 into 4. 20 into 4. That is over. First row is multiplied with all the columns. Next, second row. Second row multiplied with what? Each column. Each column of the second matrix. Start. 30 into what? 1 plus 40 into what? 3. 40 into 3. Next, 30 into 2. 30 into 2. This is a 30 into 2. Next, 40 into 4. 40 into 4. This is called a dot product. Dot product. If I conclude my sentences, so what is the first one? 10 plus what? 3. 10 plus 3. How much? 10 plus 60. 70. 70. Next, 10 into 2, 20 plus 80. 100. 100. Next, 30 plus 40 into 3. 120. 120 plus 30. 150. 150. 150. 30 into 2, 60. 40 into 4, 160. 160 plus 60, 220. 220. Right? 220. Are you following me? Right. So, carefully try to follow. So, this is called what? Dot product. This is called a dot product. Important. Dot product. So, see this. You are going to get it. Of course, I did not write the dot product. C is equal to NP dot of A comma B. A comma B. So, print the matrix C. Print the matrix C. C, I am going to write it. This is called dot product. Dot product. So this is the element called C is printed here. C is printed. The elements are going to be 70, 100, 150 and 220. The same kind of dot function, dot of this function. This is a dot matrix. Dot function is available in the present one. In the older version, there is one more function is also there. What is that function name? Matmul also you can use. Don't try to ask, sir, what is the difference between both of them. In the little older of this NumPy, Matmul was there. In the present version, you are having dot. So same kind of thing. I can use it. This kind of example. Matmul, I can use it. Matmul. So go to this one is Matmul. It stands for your favorite answer, matrix multiplication. MATMUL. So try to run it. So you are going to get it. Dot product also same answer will be coming. Are you following me? So this is about the concept of what? Matrix multiplication by using matmul. Next, I will go to one more function. What is the next function? Come on. Divide. Matrix divide. Floor divide. Modulus. Power. I will apply this one. Go to the next one. I'll go to this place. Division of the matrices. Division of the matrices. So that too, division of the matrices by using which function? Div of. So divide off, sorry. Divide off. Go to the place. Divide of. What is the divide of 10 by 1? 10.0. 20 by 2, 10.0. 30 by 3. Come on. 10.0. 40 by 4, 10.0. 10.0. Are you following this? Right. Last స్పెట్స్ ఆయన లేపండి, ఆయన ఏదో ఎక్కడో ఉన్నాడు ఆయన. స్పెట్స్, వైట్ షర్ట్, యూ ఓన్లీ. And don't fold the hands. Don't pretend, okay? Stand back side. What is the 40 by 4? Don't try to pretend here. No action. You require only subject. What is 40 by 4? Hello? Huh? 10. నువ్వు పైథాన్ స్టూడెంట్ అయినా అసలు? 40 by 4. కమ్ హియర్. పక్కకు వచ్చాయి. బయట నిల్చో, వెనక నిల్చో సరే. 40 by 4. వాట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆన్సర్? 10.0. ఇక్కడ వచ్చాయి, సపరేట్ నిల్చో. ఆ నడక ఏంటి అసలు, ఏమన్నా ఉందా? మళ్ళీ ఫోల్డింగ్, మామూలు నిల్చో. 10 by 4 how much? 10 by 4, 10. 10 by 4 how much? Silence, all of you. 10 by 4. డివిజన్స్ కూడా రావు, మళ్ళీ ఏదో ఉన్నావు అక్కడ. ఏమొచ్చని నువ్వు కామ్గా ఉన్నావు అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ముందుకు రావు సరే. మిడిల్కి రా. స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్. ఏమొచ్చని వింటున్నావు నువ్వు? వాట్ డూ యూ నో అబౌట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్? తెలుగు స్టూడెంటా? అందుకనే మనకి ఏమి రాదు, స్టైల్ ఎక్కువ. 40 by 4. You don't know 40 by 4 also. Don't know operators also. And you are coming to the class. What is the answer? 10 point. 10 by 1. 10 point. 20 by 2. 10 point. 30 by 3. 40 by 4. Because the slash will give you what? What is the difference between slash and double slash, you tell me? Silence, all of you. What is the difference? Other batch student kada no? What is the difference between slash and double slash? ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రెండు ఉన్నాయనా? ఏమి రాకుండా ఎట్లా వస్తారా ఇక్కడికి మీరు? వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్, యూ టెల్ మీ ఫస్ట్. డివిజనా? ఇది డివిజన్, ఇది మాడ్యూలా? మాడ్యూల్. ఇదేంది ఇది? ఇది మన నాలెడ్జ్. మీకు పైథాన్ కావాలి మళ్ళా, ఎందుకని మీకు టైం వేస్ట్? సో కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఓవరాల్ టుగెదర్? 10 point, 10 point, 10 point, 10 point. నా నోట్స్ చదువుకో, తర్వాత డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని. ఆల్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. చదువుకోండి. సో గో టు ద పాయింట్. హియర్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆపరేటర్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ఇట్, మీకు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, ఇన్ లైఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. దట్ విల్ కమ్ త్రూ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఓన్లీ. If the faculty explains so deep of the subject, you will come to know what is the meaning of the subject. Otherwise, simply sitting in back benches and doing something. So you see what is this is called? Division. Float coefficient will come. Double slash will give you what? Integer coefficient. You need to know subject. If you don't have the subject, nobody will look at you. After 27 years, life is so miserable for everybody, for males especially. After 27 years, life is miserable if you don't get the job. Take care. So, come to the point. Anyhow, take care by yourself. This is called what? Come on, element-wise division. Element-wise division. Element-wise division. So, what is the answer? 10 point, 10 point. 10 point represents what? Floating point value. Getting me? So next, with an operator, I will do it. With an operator, I will do. Which operator I will apply? Slash. By using arithmetic operator. By using an arithmetic operator, slash. By using an arithmetic operator, slash. A slash B. A slash B. Same answer will be coming. Same answer. Are you following this? Next, I will go to next. Which one after that? Element wise floor division also I will get it. Floor division. Floor division gives you integer coefficient, right? And of course, this is called, what is the function name? floor underscore divide. Floor underscore divide. I'm going to write it. Floor underscore what? Divide. Division of two matrices by using floor underscore divide. So element wise floor division. Element wise floor division. So I'm going to give element wise floor division. So see that 10 point is not there. What is coming? 10 only. This we learned in LKG only. If they don't know, whatever I'm explaining, it will bouncing. For example, you take his case. Hold and handful of like a stand like an Indian army. Saka నిల్చో ఫస్ట్ అట్లా నిల్చునే ఇండియన్ ఆర్మీ ఎట్లా ఉంటారు అక్కడ బోర్డర్ లో ఇట్లానా ఇట్లా ఉంటారా ఇట్లనా ఉండే ఇట్లా ఉంటే వాడు వచ్చి వేసేస్తాడు రైట్ కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్ బ్యాక్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ దిస్ ఇస్ 10 point 10 point earlier now it is called what integer coefficient getting my point so next I'm going to say this is one more double slash I will apply double slash I'm applying double slash only my botheration is you need to listen my class to get some knowledge if you don't listen with existing knowledge if you go startups also will not look at our face నువ్వు మొబైల్ చూసుకుంటావా మాట్లాడతావా దట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గ్రోయింగ్ అప్ but a very sincere student will listen the class first of all and to understand this you need to have basics first so are you getting me right done so this is a double slash apply now go to another kind of thing called modulus so I'm going to apply so let us move to the modulus function so I'm going to apply modulus function modulo division by using which function mod of so there I'm going to write it c is equal to np dot mod of a comma b so element wise modulo division online students if you have any doubts at the end of the class I can go for clarifying your doubts at the end of the class I can go for doing that Krishna and we add 4D matrix also I already said to you what matrix can be added 2D 2D only. First, when I'm starting my discussion, I said very clearly matrix addition means 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Rows and columns part only we can add. Beginning only I said. Okay, Krishna. So take care. Now I will move to the further. So I will go to mod of what? AB. Tell me, answer you tell me. 10 percentage. All of you make silence. Now I am going to ask you 10 percentage 2, 10 percentage 1, 10 percentage 1. What is the answer? Tell me. Silence all of you. Tell me the answer. Hmm? 10 percentage 1. Answer. Everybody. Come on. 0. 0. 0 or 0.0? 0 point or 0? Huh? Sure. 0 or 0 point? Okay. 10 by 10 percentage 4. What is the answer? 2 or 2.5? 2 or 2.5? 2. Muddu. Muddu, all of you stand up. Stand up. Stand up, all of you. మీరేం అట్లా కూర్చున్నారు sit down మీరు కూర్చోండి sit down girls sit down 10 percentage for how much guys come on 2.2 or 2.5 so it is called 2 remainder this is called remainder 10 slash 4 is called what 2.5 10 double slash 4 2 2 10 percentage 4 what will come remainder what is the remainder 2 only 2 only 10 percentage 1 0 0 next 20 percentage 2 come on so all of them are going to give you what 0 sit down so Coming to the point of it, you are going to get what? 0. 0. Are you following? So coming to the point back to this place also. Next, which operator? Percent operator. Percent. With arithmetic operator I am applying. So there I can write it. A percent of what? B. Or I will write B percent of A. I'm changing the statement. Be careful. B percent of what? A. B percent of A. Earlier 10% of 1. 1, 10, 10, 0. Now B percent of A. సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు చెప్తే కూర్చోబెడతా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పలేదు అనుకో రేపు కూడా నిల్చోబెడదాం 1% is 10. Silence all of you. 1% is 10. 0. 10. 10. My dear student. Of what? 10. Come on. 10, 0. 0. What is an answer? 1 is an answer. 10 ఎట్లా వస్తుందా? Of course, రేపు రావులే నా క్లాస్ కానీ అది వేరే స్టోరీ. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ వాట్? 1. Basics important. Percentage operator is important. Next is called what? 2% is 20. 2. 3% is 30. 3. 4% is 40. 4. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting it? Next, last and final. Exponentiation I am going to do. Exponentiation. Element-wise exponentiation I am going to do it. So online students, now I am going to take it. Matrix operation. Exponentiation I am going to take it. Exponentiation. Exponentiation. By using what function? Power of. What is the function name? Power of. Power of I am going to take it. Power of. So now I'll go to power of. Ready to answer? Element-wise exponentiation. Power of operation. Element-wise power of operation. Power operation. I'm going to take up. This is our day 1 of our Python level. We learned it. 10 to the power of 1. A to the power of B kada? What is the answer? 10. 10. Next, 20 to the power of 2. Come on. Okay. 30 to the power of 3. Huh? No, Modu. 30 to the power of 3. 3 cube. 3 cube, 27. And 2 zeros. 3 zeros. How much? 27. 3 zeros. But you will do what? 3 into 3 చేస్తారు. మీరంతా శంకర్ దాదా ఎంబీబీఎస్ ఏం రాదు. బట్ వీల్ have బ్లూటూత్, ఇవి ఇయర్ బడ్స్, you will wear all this like a telephone lines in Amirpet streets. You look at any student, either here or this ornament is there. Any one of these present in the neck. Compulsory. Without that, I did not see so far. Next, 4 to the power of 4. 40 to the power of 4. 4 fours. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. How many zeros? This is an answer will come. Generally, student will say 1600 entered. 1600 no. 64 also no. 16. 4 fours. 16. 16, 16. 16, 16, 256. With how many zeros? This is an answer, you will get it. 100, 400. This is 27,000. And 2 lakhs, 2 crores, 56,000. Something you will be getting it. So need not to remember that entire story. Are you following me? This is an output, you will get it. Similarly, by using an operator also you will get it. By using which operator? Double star. So double star is called what? Exponentiation operator, power of operator, beginning days of our Python. What is this now? A double star B. A star star B. It is going to get the same answer like earlier. Are you following? So this entire concept indicates that I'm going to send you this entire thing in a detailed notes for you. In a detailed notes, I'm going to send the NumPy arithmetic operations I'm going to send in a detailed notes for you. You see, entire notes I'm going to send. What is the add function syntax, examples, and in the notes also, we can use plus operator also instead of which function add. Like that, subtract all functions we are going to have it. Every syntax I'm going to give floor underscore divide and then modulus and next is called what? Power of function also we are giving it. Are you following this? So I'll stop here. Next tomorrow class when I come back, we will go for statistical operations I will introduce. What is that? Statistical operation. So today, what you learn? How to sort the data with order and all. With order. Order is important or not? Next, after that, we introduced matrix operation. How many functions are there? Not remembering. So tell me, 8 functions ఇక్కడ దగ్గర నువ్వు ఫీల్ అవ్వచ్చు కానీ మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే చెప్పు అక్కడి నుంచే చెప్పు. హౌ మెనీ ఫంక్షన్స్? 8. Number 1. Number 1. Silence all of you. Number 1. Addition. All of you. Huh? Right. Good. Number 1. So you got 1 mark, you got 0 marks. Quiz master, other person and students. Second, sub of. Right or wrong? What is the function? Subtract off. Subtract off. Second time also wrong. Third time. So third function. Multiple of. Right or wrong? Wrong. Correct. Multiply of. Multiply also wrong answer. Multiply of. I will read your lips reading also. Okay, you know that. Multiply or multiply of. Yes, silence. You got 0 marks. ఇంకా జీరోలే ఉన్నావు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ ఫంక్షన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఏది డాట్ ఆఫ్. ఎస్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ హియర్ ప్రాపర్లీ. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్? Dot of. Correct. 1 mark you got it. Next function. Dot equivalent function. Next. Division of. Right or wrong? Wrong. Divide off. Divide off. Next. Dot equivalent function is what? Mat mul off. Mat mul off. Okay. Divide off. He said division off. He said. Divide off. Next function. Silence. చూసావా? అప్పుడే నువ్వు నాయిస్ చేస్తున్నావు. అక్కడ ఏదో ఎక్కడో ఉన్నావు, పర్వలోకంలో ఉన్నావు, హిమాలయ పర్వతాలకు వెళ్దామా అనుకుంటున్నావు. నెక్స్ట్ డివైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఓవర్. నెక్స్ట్ చాట్ విండో విజిబుల్ కూడా లేదు నీకు. నెక్స్ట్ అదర్ ఎవరిబడి. ఫ్లోర్ అండర్ స్కోర్ డివైడ్ ఆఫ్. ఫ్లోర్ అండర్ స్కోర్ డివైడ్ ఆఫ్. సైలెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరిబడి. నెక్స్ట్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్. లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పు. నీ ముందే ఉంది ఇదే పవర్ ఆఫ్. వాట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆపరేటర్ ఫర్ పవర్ ఆఫ్? సైలెన్స్. చెప్పారు వాళ్ళు నీకు ఇప్పుడు. వాట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆపరేటర్? డబల్ స్టార్. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? చూడు, నీకే నష్టం కదా. కూర్చున్నావు, క్లాస్కి వచ్చావు, చదువుకోవట్లేదు, ఎక్కడ ఏదో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు పక్కన వాళ్ళతో. ఏం లాభం? ఆలోచించు. ఆల్రెడీ బేసిక్స్ లేవు, ఆపరేటర్స్ కూడా రావు. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ కూడా నువ్వు అదే ఓల్డ్ స్టేజ్లో ఉంటే ఎట్లా? 1947లో వెళ్ళు కూర్చో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ we discussed already in the class. Tomorrow I will go for what? Statistical operations. Statistical operations. Do you know statistics? Do you know statistics? Don't know. Hey, you know, I know. Don't know. You know statistics. Stand up. What is the variance? Difference between? That is called subtraction, no? That is called step only, no? Sit down. Do you know statistics? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Okay, nobody knows. So tomorrow class, you know. So don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on. I will go for posting this data for you. Try to take care.
No? Division of function. No. And then as the zero and denominator. No. What is you get zero division error? Already it answered in the beginning one. No. Zero division error only. Right? Or you will get NaN. NaN will become. Not a number you will get it.
So, online students, was this? I'm observing that Naresh IT is conducting so many drives for Java and .NET students. Why not for for full stack Python students also? We are going to post lot of company details. If you observe our Google Classroom, they used to post the Python related opportunities also, not like only for Java .NET. What they are getting .NET and Java 2.5, 1.5, 1.8, that type of things only getting. But Python drives, if you look at, you are getting so many number of things. So many 6.5, 7.5 like that. Okay. Mayuri, student name Mayuri. Next, Vikram.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Vikram, Vikram, tell me.
Yes. Sir, the new link what they provided has only notes of yesterday's class.
Yesterday only, my new link is that. Now, that is a new link created, Vikram. Yesterday, I posted my notes only. New notes only I posted. Today, I will post the today's notes plus Python notes also I will post.
Okay, so actually, the older link what had from the first class of NumPy notes, sir, it is not accessible. So
No,
can you please add all the notes of NumPy from first class to until yesterday
old
in the link?
notes is not there. Old notes you need to download it. I think you did not download. Huh?
Yes, yes, sir. I didn't know that they'll be changing the link, so that's why I did not download.
They will post it. They will post the previous notes also. Today, you will by evening you will post it. Okay, na? We will post you.
Okay,
Don't worry.
sure, sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. Next, Vishnu Vardhan.
Sir, the old notes is not
That's what ma.
visible.
Old notes by evening they will put it. We will put it.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you
Right.
so much.
Okay, students, take care. Old notes also we will keep it. Don't worry about it. Old notes also we will keep it. Don't worry about it. So I'll upload these notes, today's notes. You try to download it and practice it.